In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do add-ons on Acuity Full 2025 Guide. First things first, if you haven't done so already, head over to the Acuity Scheduling website. Using your web browser, just type in the URL or click the link provided if you have it handy. Once you're on the site, sign into your account to get started. Now that you're logged in, let's find the Appointment Types menu option. This section is where you'll be managing all sorts of customizations for your Acuity scheduling. It's your gateway to managing the available appointment options, including the ability to create the add-ons we'll be working with today. With the appointment types section now open, you want to direct your attention to the add-ons page. If this is your first time here, adding functionalities like add-ons can make your appointments more customizable and unique for your clients. Consider add-ons as small, additional services you can tack onto existing appointments to enhance the overall experience. Once you're on the add-ons page, look out for the Create Add-on button. Clicking this will open up a form where you can start building your new add-on service. Creating add-ons can offer clients added value or a tailored experience for your services, so think creatively about what complements your main offerings. Begin by typing in the name of your new add-on. Make it descriptive yet concise so clients know instantly what they are selecting. For example, instead of just extra time, you might go with 15-minute consultation extension to ensure clarity. The next field you'll see is for the price of your add-on. Be strategic here. This should reflect the value of the extra service, but also feel like a reasonable upsell to your clients. Think about the balance you want to strike. Enticing, yet profitable. After setting the price, it's time to determine the additional duration. This is the amount of extra time that the add-on will require during the appointment. It's important to ensure that your scheduling reflects this increase to avoid back-to-back appointments that can cause frustration. Your next step is to decide who can access this add-on. Some add-ons might only be available to certain types of clients or maybe only available at particular times. You'll want to consider who would most appreciate this add-on and set the permissions accordingly. Lastly, review your selections, and when everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Create button. This will finalize your new add-on and make it available within your Acuity scheduling system. And there you have it. You successfully created an add-on in Acuity scheduling. By leveraging add-ons, you've not only added value to your clients' appointments, but also increased your potential revenue. That about wraps it for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!